Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the area of the triangle formed by the plane this with y axis and z axis. Okay, so look at this how we will solve this problem. So, first, let's try to draw the x, y, and z axis. So, look at this. So, suppose that this is x axis, this is y axis, and this is z axis. Now, suppose this plane is intersecting, it will cut x axis at some point, y axis at some point, z axis at some point. Okay, so we will try to find out those points first. So, suppose these are the points. Suppose. So, as this is x coordinate, so y and z will be 0. So this thing will be 0, this thing will be 0. So x component will become minus of 9 by 2. So minus of 9 by 2, 0 and 0. Okay, don't feel that sir you are trying to draw positive x but you are getting negative x. This is wrong, the diagram is wrong. But my point is, this is for a reference we have taken. Now we don't know what can come at the end. Okay, so this is general view, but end result will be the same. We will take care of everything. Now we have to find out y coordinate. In y coordinate, you know that x component and z component will be 0, so it will become minus 3. So 0 minus 3, 0. Now we will focus on z component. In z, x and y will become 0. So it will become 0, 0 minus 3 by 2. Now, the point is we need to find out the area of the triangle formed by y-axis and z-axis. Means we have to find out this area of this triangle. Okay? So this triangle we have to find area. I hope you guys can observe things. Now, to find out area of triangle, you know that area of triangle is nothing but area of triangle is half base and height. We will take care of magnitude. So if we will focus on base, so this thing will behave as base. So can we consider base as 3? We need to take magnitude. Okay, so half is half, then 3. For height we will take help of this, and we will take the positive magnitude wise height we will take. So 3 by 2. So the value becomes 9 by 4 square unit. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. Suppose that if they will ask you to find out the area of the triangle formed by the plane with coordinate axis. So you need to take help of point A, point B, point C. So this time they will ask you to find out area of this triangle, the bigger one. Okay, and how will you use? You will find out AB vector, AC vector, and then area of triangle will become half of magnitude of AB cross AC. I hope you guys can handle these kind of situations as well. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.